Hey everyone, this is Daily English Teacher. Today we're going to fix one of the most common mistakes in English, how to use a and correctly. Many learners think it's just about vowels and consonants, but there's more to it. Stay until the end for a quick quiz to test your understanding. And don't forget to subscribe for more daily English lessons. Part 1E Basic Rule. And both mean one. We use them before singular countable nouns. The rule is simple. Use a before words that start with a consonant sound. Use them before words that start with a vowel sound. Examples: a car, a dog, a book, an apple, an orange, an umbrella. Notice that it's not about spelling, it's about sound. Part 2, it's about sound, not spelling. Look at these examples. We say an hour because our starts with a vowel sound. A university because university starts with a Y sound. An honest person because honest starts with a silent H. A European country because European starts with a Y sound. So remember, it's not about the first letter. It's about how it sounds when you say it. Part 3 Common Mistakes. Mistake 1. Using and before every vowel. Wrong. An university. Correct. A university. Mistake 2. Using a before every consonant. Wrong. Hour. Correct. An hour. Mistake 3. Forgetting to use them with singular countable nouns. Wrong. I've cat. Correct. I have a cat. Mistake 4. Using them with uncountable nouns. Wrong. An advice. Correct. Some advice. Part 4. Practice time. Let's practice together. Say a car, a house, a book, an idea, an egg, an opportunity. Now fill in the blanks. 1. I bought. Umbrella. 2. She is honest person. 3. He is European man. 4. It took hour to get there. Answers: 1. An. 2. An. 3. A. 4. An. 'Keep practicing like this and you'll master the difference easily. Part 5 Review and Quiz. Let's review. Use a before consonant sounds. Use them before vowel sounds. Focus on pronunciation, not spelling. Now here's your quiz. Which sentence is correct? A. I have a apple. B. I have an apple. C. I have an dog. D. I have a idea. Write your answer in the comments below. This was Daily English Teacher. See you in the next lesson.